Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Grade 4 Mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So we have been learning about fractions. Today, let's learn how we can represent a fraction on a number line. So we have learned about the number line in our previous classes. So what is a number line? You can see a number line here. A number line is a straight line where the numbers are marked on it at equal spaces. The numbers increase as you move towards the right and the numbers decrease as you move towards the left. We can see the divisions marked here at equal spaces here. You have 0 marked here, and as you proceed, it increases towards the right and decreases towards the left. Clear? Now, how to represent a fraction on a number line? Here we have an example. Represent the fraction 6 by 8 on a number line. You observe the fraction. Observe the given fraction. Is it a proper fraction or is it an improper fraction? What do you mean by a proper fraction? A proper fraction is one in which the numerator is less than the denominator. And an improper fraction is one in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. That we have learned in our previous classes. So this one, 6 by 8, has got a numerator 6 which is less than the denominator 8. So this one is a proper fraction. Now a proper fraction is represented between 0 and 1 on the number line. Now what are the steps? Let's see the steps involved. First, you have to divide the whole between 0 and 1 into 8 equally spaced small divisions. Why 8? Because in the fraction given here 6 by 8, the denominator is 8. So in that case, we have to divide the whole between 0 and 1 on the number line into 8 equal divisions. And then after dividing the space or the whole between 0 and 1 into 8 equal divisions, next we are going to consider the numerator. Here the numerator is 6. So among these 8 divisions that we have marked at the moment, you have to start counting from 0, move towards the right, and you have to move 6 small divisions ahead. That is, start from 0 and then move 6 divisions, which is equal to the numerator in the given fraction. Move 6 small divisions ahead and then put a cross on the mark you reach. Let's see how we can do that. Here you can see a number line and you can see the whole numbers 0 and 1, and the whole between 0 and 1 is divided into 8 equal divisions, which is equal to the denominator in the given fraction. So we have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal divisions between 0 and 1. Now the next step is to start counting from 0. We are going to consider the numerator now. The numerator is 6. So start counting from 0 and move 6 positions ahead of this 0. So it is 1, start from 0. The next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then at that point you put a cross. So this cross or this point will represent the fraction 6 by 8 on the number line. So you put a cross and below that you can write the given fraction 6 by 8. The cross position represents the fraction 6 by 8. Clear? We will see one more example. Represent 11 by 4 on a number line. Now observe this given fraction 11 by 4. Is it a proper fraction or an improper fraction? We have got a numerator which is more than the denominator. So that is an improper fraction we have got here. So an improper fraction is represented by a position beyond 1 on the number line. A proper fraction is represented between 0 and 1, where an improper fraction is represented beyond 1. Clear? So let's see the steps. So given an improper fraction, the first step is to convert the given improper fraction into a mixed fraction. And how do you convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction? You have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So the numerator is 11 and denominator is 4. When you divide 11 by 4, you get a quotient 2, a remainder 3 and a divisor 4. The corresponding mixed fraction to 11 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Now we have a whole part and a fractional part here. Now the next step is to, starting from 0, you have to move 2 parts which is equal to the number of whole parts of the mixed fraction, you have to move 2 big divisions ahead of 0 on the number line. Let's see. We can see the number line here. You have the bigger divisions 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. marked on the number line here. Starting from 0, you have to move 2 positions ahead of this 0, and this 2 equals to the whole part of the mixed fraction we have got. So we have right now reached here. Now we have to consider the fractional part of the mixed fraction, which is equal to 3 by 4. So our mixed fraction was 2, 3 by 4. We have already reached the point where it corresponds to the whole part 2. Now we are considering the fractional part 3 by 4. So this part, see, this fraction is a proper fraction. So we are going to divide the portion, the whole between 2 and 3 into 4 equally spaced divisions. Why 4? Because the denominator here is 4. So you have to divide the space or the whole between 2 and 3 into 4 equal divisions, and we get like this. Now the next step is to start counting from this 2, and you have to move 3 small divisions ahead of this, and you have to put a cross. So there are 4 equally spaced divisions. Since the numerator is 3, we are going to move 3 positions ahead of this 2. So starting from 2, 1, 2, 3. You put a cross over here, and this will correspond to the fraction 2, 3 by 4 like this. And now you have marked it on the number line. You can either write 2, 3 by 4 here or 11 by 4 here. So hope this is clear to you, children. Now you can go through the topic fractions on number line in page number 96 and 97 of your textbook. Then move on to exercise 6.5. You have to complete the questions, all the questions from exercise 6.5 in your notebook, and then in the next page you can see a MATLAB activity. Please go through that as well and do accordingly. And in page number 99 you can see the heading Enrich Yourself, which will be a revision on the topics that we learned in this class. So that's all for today, children. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye.